Hey y'all, welcome to the replay. Hi, this is Michelle with Foxy Chick Decor with another tutorial on Chalk Couture. Today I'm going to be using the There's No Place Like Home transfer on some wood that I stained and waxed. I'm just placing down to see where I want them to be placed. I take the transfers from the backer sheet and fuzz them up on a towel and then place them where I want them to be. I end up playing with the placement a little bit just so that they line up correctly. I have picked two colors for today's project, the Peacock and the Black Velvet. I'm going to be doing a two-toned effect. On the top is going to be the Peacock, so I put a little bit of that paste down and squeegee over about half of the transfer, making sure to get all of the silk screen that I want covered and pulling up the excess and putting it back in the jar. Then I put a little bit of black velvet down to do the rest of that transfer, making sure that I'm covering all of the silk screen and squeegeeing up the excess and putting it back into the jar. Then I'm going to wet my finger and I'm going to blend the two together. Then I'm going to pull up the transfer and get it into some water to start cleaning up. Then I'm going to come back and do the exact same thing with the word home. I'm going to be starting with the Peacock at the top, doing about half of that transfer, squeegeeing down through all of the mesh and the silk screen, squeegeeing up the excess. Then I'm going to put some black velvet paste down at the bottom and repeat that same process, making sure the two colors do not touch. Then I'm going to blend the two together in that middle spot. And I'm just using my finger there to blend them. I'm going to peel this up as well and get it into some water. And there's the finished project. If you like what you see and you'd like to see more, check out my online store. Thanks for watching.